What's going on, everybody? I'm Mike,
And I'm Chad.
and welcome back to our channel. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you guys hanging out. In this video today, we are going to be talking about three huge stocks from yesterday that really took off for us. One was Chewy. This one went to the moon for us yesterday. The other one is NIO, and then we're going to talk a little bit about Wish because that hits the market today. So I know we're all excited for that, and we'll see what we got. See what we got in store. So let's go ahead and start off with Chewy. Chewy was up what 10% yesterday. That was absolutely huge, and we posted a video 2 or 3 days ago talking about this stock. No one's talking about it. A lot of people are sleeping on it, and I feel like that's a big mistake.
Yeah, so yesterday they were, like Mike said, they finished, I think, a little bit over 10% for the day, which is huge. But the day before that, there was a little bit of pullback from the day prior. I think they went up like 4 or 5%, and then they went down the next day 2%. So I think it's just people, more people jumping into it because they're seeing the potential with this stock. But also, the CFO announced that they're going to be adding a lot more pet products to the website, and the telehealth service that we talked about before that just comes free if you do if you're part of the subscription. You sign up for the subscription where you know your bag of food comes every month or however often you want it. The telehealth service just came for free, but they're gonna be monetizing that, which I think would be huge. That's
Right,
a lot of potential profit right there from that. Just
right,
as how convenient it is to use those kind of services now. So
right.
yeah,
Especially with COVID, and now we're getting into the winter months. A lot of snow. Some people may not be able to take their pets to the vet. It's definitely going to be. I feel like that's going to be a good thing for them in that telemed market as well. And you know what? I honestly might look into this today because with my Great Dane, dude, he goes through honestly like a bag and a half of food every week, 2 weeks. It is unreal how much food this dog eats. I can't keep up. He gets 3 scoops per serving, and he gets 3 servings a day. Like it's monstrous how much this
I don't
dog
know.
eats. So I think it would be nice to have this food just delivered to my house instead of going to the store
Yeah,
every
and
week.
a lot of times it's cheaper too. So, and then when you do the subscription, I'm pretty sure you get a like a little bit of a discount as well. So
Yep,
that
that'll
would
be
help,
nice then.
right?
But yeah, it looks like Chewy's up about 0.5% pre-market this morning. So we'll see if that holds on. I'm really hoping it just keeps going to the moon. Since I bought in, I'm up almost 6 or 7%, and so that's huge gains for me at least.
Yeah,
Um,
that would be nice. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a little bit of sell off, but I mean, if it just keeps going to the moon today, even
right.
better.
Dude, wouldn't that be something, right?
Yeah, because I'm up 28% since I bought, so and I only bought at the beginning of December.
Right.
December 2nd is my earliest transaction, so I haven't had it very long, and I'm up 28%. Like
Right.
that's
That's
huge.
huge. Yeah, so this is definitely one to keep your guys' eyes on. Again, this is not financial advice. We always talk about this in every video. Always consult your own personal financial advisor. Do your own research. Do what listen to what we have to say. Do more research on side of that, and then just watch the trend. Just watch. Clearly looking at yesterday's trend, it was just skyrocketed to the moon. So if you got in before that, congratulations. Enjoy your gains. But just do your own research, invest wisely, and just this is all just for entertainment purposes only. So but yeah, keep your guys' eye on this one. We feel like this one's just going to keep going, and I know I'm excited to see where this one goes. But for the
Yeah,
next,
I bought.
go ahead.
Sorry, I bought a little bit more on that dip 2 days ago when we first put out a video, and kicking myself in the butt that I didn't buy more.
Right, getting. I mean, at least you got in before that 10% spike, so that's good.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
good.
I bought a couple more shares, but I should have bought more.
Right.
But
I mean, that's the way it always is.
yeah,
Always should have bought
that's
more. It's either
yep,
you either bought, you didn't buy enough, or you shouldn't have bought. One of the two.
right, yep.
But the other one we got for you guys is Neo. Neo is up 1.6% pre-market, which is good. Which is good news because the last week or so it's just been down almost every day. Down 20% from that super high $57 mark, and it looks like I feel like people are starting to kind of get the bullish run on this and starting to get back into it. We hit that $40. I feel like that $40 more of like a support level. Usually when
Yeah.
we hit that $40 mark, it kind of bounces right back up to where we're at. And with it being up, to $44 pre-market, I feel like this could be another good day. We have Neo Day coming up in January. Um, they just signed that contract to put in charging stations, and analysts are giving this a $59 buy rating or a price target.
Target price. Yeah.
Right,
Yeah, and I mean it was up 6% yesterday after being, you said it got down to that $40 area. So,
right.
it was up $2.50 yesterday, and it's up so far 1.5% pre-market. So it'd be nice if this thing just keeps flying.
But yeah, if we keep seeing this trend going where it's headed now, I think Neo's off to a new high. I think this price target of Neo is going to end. I personally feel around the 40, I would say $48 to $50 mark by the year end. A lot of people are going to try to get in it again for that Neo day, but we'll see what happens. Neo's up. Oh man, what 36 or not 36,000, but they've delivered 36,000 vehicles this year, and I know they're trying to push for like 100,000 next year or over 100,000, which I think could easily double this stock by the end of 2021. But we'll see what holds there for Neo. So keep an eye on that one today if you are not in it as well. But the biggest news of the day, Wish, man. Wish IPO hits today, and then it usually starts trading. I'm thinking this one, if it's just like DoorDash and Airbnb, it'll probably start trading around 1, 2 o'clock Eastern time. Um, just like they did. I do expect this price to double, just like the other ones did. All these IPOs, they seem to double. You look at Snowflake, DoorDash, Airbnb, they all seem to double right off the bat. And I don't
Yeah,
know if that's
all these big IPOs always seem to double lately. This
right.
year at least.
It's going to open up between that $22 to $24 price mark. And if it's honestly, if this is in the low 30s, 35, maybe if I get it below 30, I feel like that's a definite strike point. I'm totally hopping in. I'm not going to throw my entire investment into it. I'm going to average in, see where it goes, kind of watch it and see how the day plays out, and maybe average down if needed. But I definitely feel like Wish is going to be a huge stock to own. 2-3 years from now, I feel like this is going to be the Amazon, of China. The stuff you could buy on there is unreal, and for some reason people like it, people buy it. So I've never personally bought anything off of Wish, but their sales numbers and revenue and everything is just off the charts. But yeah, I think that's going to be one we're going to have to keep an eye on today. Do you plan on getting in at all, or?
Yeah, it just depends on what it opens up at. Like you said, that $30 mark or even lower. Just depends on what this does when it does come on the market, if it's doubled or not. But probably around the low 30s, like you said, I'm gonna throw a little in and then just watch it and see what it does. Because I mean, it could just take off, or it could just crash because everyone's selling because it doubled. So I'm just gonna throw in a little bit at a time and average down, like you said, if I have to.
See what
But yeah,
happens.
yep.
But all right, guys, that's all we got for you guys in this video. If you guys like this kind of stuff, us talking about stocks and giving our opinions and stuff like that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button now. It helps us out. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps them push people in our direction, help us grow the channel, and do what we like doing for you guys. But yeah, we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.